girl could feel special on any such night. Sick jeans to remind my hands of you. It's the Vincent Black Lightning 1952. I've seen you on the corners and cafes and scenes, red hair and black leather, my favorite color scheme. And he pulled around behind and down to Box Hill later on. Sick jeans to red Molly's a ring for your right hand, but I tell you you're Ernest and a dangerous man. Well, I fought with the law since I was 17, and I've robbed many a man to get my Vincent machine. And I stand 21 and I might not make 22, and I don't mind dying before the world of me. And if fate should break my stride, I'll give you my Vincent tonight. Come down, Red Molly, caught Sergeant McLean, for they'd taken young James in for armed robbery. A shotgun blast in his chest left nothing inside. Come down, Red Molly, to his dying bedside. When she came to the hospital, there wasn't much left. He was running out of road, he was running out of breath. But he smiled to see her cry, and said, I'll give you my Vincent tonight. Sick James, in my opinion, there's nothing in this world that beats a 52 Vincent and a red-headed girl. No Nortons and Indians and sunbeams and cruises and Harleys won't do. Well, they ain't got a soul in Vincent 52.